You go to a hotel. You reach the reception, but you don't know what to say in English. Don't worry. In this video, you will learn a real hotel conversation step by step. Let's start. Good evening. Welcome to our hotel. How can I help you?
Good evening. I have a booking.
Sure. May I have your name, please?
My name is Ria Sharma.
Let me check. Yes, I've found your booking.
Okay.
Can I see your ID, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Is this your first time staying with us?
Yes, it is my first time.
Welcome. I hope you have a good stay.
Thank you.
How many nights will you stay?
I will stay for 2 nights.
All right. You have booked a standard room.
Yes.
Would you like to upgrade your room?
What is the difference?
The deluxe room is bigger and has a better view.
How much is the extra cost?
It is 1,000 rupees more per night.
No, that's okay. I will keep the standard room.
No problem. Do you need a single bed or a double bed?
I need a double bed.
All right. Do you have any room preferences?
Yes, I want a quiet room.
Okay.
Also, I want a non-smoking room.
Sure. All our rooms are non-smoking.
That's good.
Do you want a room with a view?
Yes, if possible.
I will try my best.
Can I get a room on a higher floor?
Yes, I will arrange that.
Thank you.
Now, let's complete the payment.
Okay.
The total is 4,000 rupees.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here's my card.
Please enter your PIN.
Done.
Payment successful.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes, here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Here is your room key.
Thank you.
Your room number is 305.
Okay.
The lift is on your left.
All right.
Breakfast is from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, it is included.
That's great.
The restaurant is on the ground floor.
Thank you.
Excuse me, do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, we have free Wi-Fi.
What is the password?
It is written on your key card.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have room service?
Yes, we do.
What time is it available?
It is available 24 hours.
That's great. Do you have laundry service?
Yes, we have laundry service.
How long does it take?
It usually takes 1 day.
Okay. Excuse me, I have a problem.
What happened?
The room is not very clean.
I am really sorry for that. I will send someone to clean it.
Thank you.
It will be done in 10 minutes.
Also, the air conditioner is not working properly.
I understand. I will send a technician.
Okay. Can I order food to my room?
Yes, you can.
How can I order?
You can call room service.
Okay. Can I get an extra blanket?
Yes, we will send it to your room.
Thank you. Can I get a wake-up call tomorrow morning?
Yes. At what time?
At 6 a.m.
Sure. Good morning. How was your stay?
It was good.
That's great to hear.
The service is very nice.
Thank you.
I want to check out.
Sure. May I have your room number?
Room 305.
Please wait. Yes, your bill is ready.
How much is it?
It is 4,000 rupees.
Okay.
You have already paid.
Okay.
Here is your final bill.
Thank you.
Did you use any room service?
No.
All right. How was your experience?
It was very good.
We hope to see you again.
Thank you.
Have a safe journey.
Thank you.
Now you know how to speak in a hotel. Use these sentences in real life. Speak slowly, don't be afraid, and practice every day. You will become confident. Keep learning and keep speaking.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.